want to join my free gift card giveaways?
No. Check this out. Hi everyone, this is Josh, Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back. Batter, donut. You love birthday cake batter. This might be the donut for you. And who doesn't like cake batter? I don't know, people don't like cake batter. So look at that, I like the sprinkles on here, that beautiful. It's like a happy looking donut. Look at that, isn't that happy? I'm so happy. It's creamy. The donut is, yeast donut is creamy. That cream is so creamy. It's nice and creamy. Wow, this is some nice vittles here. I can totally taste the cream in the cream. Wow! This takes the cake. Get it? Birthday cake donut takes the cake. Try this out. It's filled with cream. Kids will love this. Your grandma will love it. Your Aunt Connie will love this. And subscribe to Joey's World Tour! Woo, 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 woo! Woo, 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 woo! Woo, 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 woo! Woo, 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 woo! Check this out.
Hello everyone, this is Running on Empty Food Review. Hello ladies and gentlemen and everyone watching. This is Running on Empty Food Review. I'm your host,
Killer Keepstar. Let's go right into the
food review. I think the heat index is around 110, so it's very, very hot. I'm gonna beat the heat with some nice cold water from McDonald's, as a matter of fact. And this is their signature Sriracha quarter-pound burger. It is in this burger, the Sriracha burger, and I already have mixed feelings about this, to be quite honest. I mean, it's just burger. A lot of their signature crafted sandwiches, and this is another one of those, are very hit or miss. Some of them are very good. Some of them, I think you know what that means. Now this is their signature Sriracha quarter-pound Sriracha. Now this is their signature Sriracha quarter-pound Sriracha. You could also get it as a chicken patty, fried. This comes with a spicy chili pepper infused burger. What a name, right? Also comes with some tender burger, tomato, crispy burger, smooth white cheddar cheese burger, on an artisan roll. Now you could get it on a sesame seed burger if you'd like to kind of make it a working man's sandwich. Sure, you could get it on the artisan roll if you want to go that route. Now I got it on the artisan roll. In short, and this was $5.13.
All for like a $1.59.
Preliminary sip of cold Starbucks water going in first, so I don't overheat and die on camera. And now we're going to try the burger with some shortwave radio accompaniment, I hope. So it's the signature burger from McDonald's going in.
My diamonds, my diamonds.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest.
Being a pirate is a right to be. Do what you want, cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate.
If I could say sad face right now, that would be my expression, because I was hoping to tune into a certain station, and it looks like they signed off at the hour.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid.
I don't know what they're talking about here, but we'll listen to this.
Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Hey, build your hopes up. You go there, you get the sandwich, you take that bite, and then all your hopes and dreams come crashing down. Crashing and burning.
Keepstar, 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 la.
It's definitely noticeable, but it just clashes everything in it. You know, it's a little dry. It just doesn't work. It doesn't belong there. It just doesn't work out. Out of 10, I'm just going to give it a 4.2 out of 10. I wouldn't recommend it. Just didn't work out that well. That's all that I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a nice afternoon. Stay cool. And we'll see you later. I'm the Report of the Week, and take care.
残酷な天使の手で